Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. A little 3D looking font, and I picked the word food because it had two O's and a D that have inner parts, kind of show it off a little bit better. I put this under perspective, but I'm not going to do on this one. So I'm going to set my nudge factor on 1/4 inch, 0.25. And I am going to make a duplicate of that, and I'm going to nudge it down, and I'm going to make it red. Then I'm going to make a duplicate of it again and move it down. Matter of fact, I'm going to move it down twice so I can grab the other one and make it white. And now I can put my red back. Now that alone looks pretty cool. But what you can also do is you pick the black, and you see you've got black picked. Hold down the shift key and pick the white. Go up to effects and blend, and we'll blend it 200 times as good. So what it did, it blended the black and the white, and it makes it, to me, look pretty cool. Now, let's change our nudge factor to like 0.1, and let's move the white down a little bit, maybe twice, and then move the black down, and you get a total different look. That, to me, it looks three-dimensional, like it's standing off. If we bring in the yellow box trick, that looks pretty cool. Maybe our white's a little bit too far down because we can see it at the bottom. So that's pretty good right there. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.